In the book of Daniel, the prophet was shown a vision unlike any other. He saw heaven open, and someone called the Ancient of Days seated on a throne. The Ancient of Days represents God Himself, eternal, holy, and wise. He has no beginning, and He has no end. Daniel described His clothing as white as snow, and His hair as white like pure wool. This shows God's purity and His perfect wisdom. The throne of the Ancient of Days was surrounded by fire, not a fire of fear, but a fire of holiness and truth. Then Daniel saw something else. Heavenly books were opened. These books remind us that God sees everything. And His judgments are always fair. Next, Daniel saw one like the Son of Man approaching the throne. This is Jesus, coming with humility, peace, and authority. The Ancient of Days gave him a kingdom that will never pass away, a kingdom for all people, in every nation, forever. This vision reminds us that no matter what happens on earth, God is still seated on the throne. Jesus reigns with love, justice, and mercy, and His kingdom is a kingdom of peace. The Ancient of Days is eternal. Jesus is King forever, and God's plans will never fail.